Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads in 2025. This simple step-by-step guide will help you connect both platforms so you can manage and track your ads more efficiently. Start by going to the HubSpot trial guide page. From there, open the Marketplace section, where HubSpot keeps all available apps and integrations. Click Marketplace, then go to the Apps area. Now use the search bar and type Meta Ads. This is the tool that connects HubSpot with your Facebook ads. When it shows up, click it to view the details page. Here, you'll find information about the integration, its features, and setup requirements. Take a quick look so you know what to expect. Next, click the App Install button. Make sure you're signed in to the right HubSpot account, then follow the prompts to authorize the connection. You'll also need to log in to your Facebook ads account to complete the setup. Once everything is connected, HubSpot and Facebook ads will work together, letting you track ad performance, manage campaigns, and optimize your marketing from one place. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Facebook ads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot and marketing tutorials.